Yo, what's up everybody? Welcome back to another episode of Cryptos, Stocks, and You. I'm your host, Ulysses Herrera. Guys, today we're going to talk about what is going on with Bitcoin and Ethereum. The time of this recording is Saturday, January 15th, 2:30 p.m. If you like the fact that we were able to bring you many predictions correct in the past, video evidence is on the channel. Like, subscribe, hit the notification bells, guys. We are a channel that gives you an insight of what could be happening to crypto in the next couple of hours, days, and weeks. So, guys, we're gonna see what's going. And if you like the fact that, also my video of the DXY dollar strength index 2 weeks ago was able to predict the pump that we've been having and the uptick in Bitcoin because of the 30-year resistance. Guys, like that video, subscribe, hit the notification bells. It was my last video. I went over it again, so go watch that if you haven't seen it. Alrighty guys, so what is going to happen with Bitcoin and Ethereum? First of all, let me say that as I've been saying in the past 3 videos, things look pretty good. Now, it doesn't look like, well, okay, we're going straight to the moon now, but it looks better than it did before. As if you guys remember, we had these horizontal rays that I put out weeks ago, and I said these are the major levels we need to watch out for. And guys, like, it's like dead on. The horizontal rays are dead on where the price action is falling, and as you guys have known, these have been here way before these candles were here. So it's pretty cool to see that our horizontal rays supports are dead on correct. Now the 1 week chart is starting to show us that the RSI is bouncing off a pretty interesting point, guys. So right here I created another line which kind of tells me that maybe this could be the bottom, because look, last time, this is where we are now. So now is here, and last time we bounced here, that was back in July, and then we kind of sort of bounced right here back in November 2019. We kind of went down a little bit, and then we just kind of came back up. And then right here as well, on 2018, we had a bounce, kind of dipped down, and then really tanked after that, and then came back up. But right here as well, had a bounce, and then exploded up afterwards. Same thing right here, had a bounce, kind of came down, tanked, and then just kind of zigzagged, and then eventually exploded. But this support level is kind of significant, as you guys could see. So that leads me to believe that one or two things could happen. We could directly go up from here, or we could be seeing something maybe like we have seen in the past, like and then boom, you know, or just straight up from here, you know. So it signals that things could be looking good for now. That doesn't mean that we are not out of the woods and that we still can't retest 38,000. That doesn't mean that, but it means that we are kind of likely finding a bottom, which is a good thing. But once again, I think the very, very lowest we could go without just completely just ripping ourselves a new one is 35,000. That's my ultimate low level. Like, hey guys, if it won't below 35,000, we could pretty much say that like we are in a definite bear market, and it's gonna be a while before we see any price action towards the upside. But that's my like worst case bear scenario. But I don't see it out of the cards to retest 40,000 again at a retest, or even 39.38, but still bounce up from there. That's what I think is likely, guys. So I think the bottom is anywhere between 38 to 40,000, and then the absolute worst case scenario is around 35,000. That's the absolute worst case scenario, which I don't think will happen, but nothing is guaranteed in this world, nothing. So for right now, it looks like on the 1 hourly, Bitcoin is kind of getting a slight rejection. If you guys remember, I made a video a while ago about this rising channel, and I said, look guys, rising channels tend to break down, and it broke down right into our support line again. So it's trying to come back into the channel, which would be a good thing, but it's kind of getting rejected right at the channel. So let's say we retest, 40,000, 42, this could turn into like some kind of double bottom and then boom, eventually explode up. That's ultimately what we want to see, guys. We want to see hold support around 40,000, 42,000 and then come back up. So for the next couple hours, guys, no set predictions, obviously, because we're kind of like teeter-tottering from like, hey, look, it looks more bullish than bearish. That's for sure right now. It looks bullish, more bullish than bearish. So it's likelier that we may get retests, but it just seems like we're holding, guys. So let's keep an eye on that. Ethereum is kind of in the same boat. Like we're holding. It looks like maybe 29 could have been the bottom, which is basically right below 3,000, which is kind of a strong point for Ethereum to hold at. On the 1 week chart, same thing with Ethereum. Got this massive green candle right here. So this is good. Bouncing right off the 50. Remember I told you guys that was one of the points of support, 50. And then after that, it doesn't look good. So 50-day moving average is a strong point of support. And it looks like, you know, same thing with Ethereum. Like on the 1 hourly, looks like we're kind of running out of steam. We may be retesting some of the lower price levels. Could be retesting, you know, 32, and then see if that holds. That could turn into a double bottom as well. So that should be interesting to watch, guys. Right now, we just gotta sit back and watch. Thank you very much for watching. You can always get out of the rat race too. I'll see you tomorrow.